Hey guys, it's Robert from Repurpose and Reuse, where I take everyday items and trash and repurpose them, giving them new life into new creations. And every now and then you find something. You don't know what you're gonna use it for, but you know you can't leave it. And you eventually find a use for it. And that's the case today with this. I think it's like a makeshift rail while they're building homes for safety. Scrap, rebar, trash that I found in the mud. All this is scrap. This board is crooked. Can't really use it for much. But I keep it in my garage until inspiration hits. And yesterday, inspiration hit when I went to one of my favorite thrift stores and I found this, a water balloon Slingshot. The price wore off, but $3. I found this. It was running through my head last night and I said, I'm gonna make a big Slingshot. I'm gonna cut a 45-degree angle on this board. So this is gonna make the base of my Slingshot. Now I've got my anchor. Screw going through here, screw going through here. Before I secure it down, I wanna make sure I get my holes in properly. This is what I'm going for, 45-degree angle. Now I'm gonna drill my holes for my rebarb. So that'll be a good 4.5, 5 inches deep to anchor the rebarb in nicely. All right, so I've got one arm of my Slingshot hammered into the base with that 45-degree hole. Here's the other hole I just drilled. It's gonna be a nice secure fit, which is what I want, so it doesn't wiggle or move. I've got a motley assortment of deck screws and other screws I found lying around construction sites. And I've got my 2 end caps for my rebar pipe for safety and also for a good secure spot for my elastic bands to secure to. So that's not going anywhere. The initial board that I had was too skinny. It was long enough, but it was too skinny and not stable enough for this. In the spirit of using only repurposed items, I'm going to use this board instead. As you can tell from its nice patina, this was also found. I'm going to put my 55-pound anvil just to secure it down more and put the top right in there. There you go, my one-man water balloon catapult launcher, whatever you want to call it. It's mobile. Just take this out, you can transport it. I gotta say, I thought it'd look a little cooler in my head. It looked cooler. It looks kind of like a bug or something, 2 antennas sticking up, but that's okay. Maybe I'll spray paint it black. Make it look a little cooler. But I don't know. It was fun to build, and I built it for a grand total of $3, which was the price of this little treasure elastic launcher that someone foolishly got rid of. Everything else was from the dumpster. So thanks guys. If you like this content, please subscribe to my channel, Repurpose and Reuse, and give me a thumbs up, please. Thanks again.
it's fun. Definitely be launching some water balloons next.